This is a brand new 2013 Honda Pilot. This crossover has a 5-speed automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added safety and control of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, heated seats, a rear seat DVD entertainment center, 10 perfectly positioned speakers, XM satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, a locking rear differential, hill start assist, 18-inch alloy wheels, roof rails, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, a split folding rear seat, cruise control, rear audio controls, a leather-wrapped shift knob, a passenger side vanity mirror, side impact airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and the HomeLink transceiver can be programmed to use the same frequency as your remote opening devices, such as the garage door, the entry gate, or even the living room lights, enabling you to control them right from the driver's seat. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking vehicle.